Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making potato salad. Here I have my potatoes that I've already peeled, and all I'm going to do now is just cut them into little pieces. I did go ahead and put my pot on with some salted water to start boiling. Once I finish cutting the potatoes, I'm going to give them a good wash to get rid of the excess starch. Once you finish cutting up your potatoes, you want to go ahead and, as I said before, give them a wash. Then I'm going to add them to my salted boiling water. I'm going to cover this and let this boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. After this time, I'm going to go ahead and add some mixed veg and cover and leave this for a further 5 minutes or until the potatoes are tender enough. You don't want to overcook your potatoes because then it will just make this dish too mushy. I went ahead and drained my potatoes and mixed veg, added them to a bowl. I'm going to go in now and add some grated mature cheese and also some finely minced scallion. Give this a good mix. Then you want to go ahead now and start adding the rest of your ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper and some mayonnaise. Once you've done this, give this a good mix. You want to just know that you're using a really good quality mayonnaise. I'm using a Heinz one. Once this is done, you want to go ahead and put it in your serving bowl. I do like to go ahead and sprinkle a little paprika on the side. When this cools down, you want to put it in your fridge and just let it cool down before serving. And there you have it, an easy peasy recipe for potato salad. This is how I make it at home. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share the video if you can, because it really helps the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.